Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mr. Bear 28. Today I'm just going to be showing everyone around to my Minecraft world. So this is a not complete yet building. This is going to be an aquarium. My mods I get them from MCPE. Good. So yeah, here I've got an orca mod. I've got some turtles. That's my submarine project. If you check my TikTok, you'll be able to see all my stuff. My main house. I've got Apple over here. Apple is almost complete. By the way, these are all up for grabs. And then I've got good old Samsung over here. No, Samsung is here. Here's a friend of mine's house. Her name's Isabel. So I've got all these houses, and I want you guys to see if I can get to 10 likes. I will give everyone here their own house. I'll give everyone who likes their own house or subscribes. So yeah. Sorry about that, I just had to go for a second. You get to design it. It's my favourite house. It's probably the best I've got. Pretty cool. My brother did that. Sorry guys. That was just my brother made a poop. It's a poop. So yeah, all these houses are up for grabs. I will be doing some role playing on this world. If you guys want that, role playing will be pretty easy to do. How do sheep always get stuck here? Pretty dark secret not many people know about here is every dragon covers their baby's egg. So here's my why are you doing sheep? You get to choose your spot too, so if I come over my house, if I come over to here, you can see all the pieces of land that is free. I've got all this land, okay? So I can make it anywhere here. You guys choose, I will build. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.